Hey everyone, my name is Bharat Mangnani and I'm CEO and founder of Bharat Go Digital. We are a digital marketing agency based in Bangalore. So we have been observing that a lot of businesses were struggling with this particular thing. Like let's say if they have to send bulk messages on WhatsApp to let's say 10,000 people, 20,000 people, or in bulk, their numbers were getting banned. And as a business, it is important to communicate with customers. When the data is in bulk, it becomes difficult. So as Meta has launched a WhatsApp Cloud API, so WhatsApp Cloud API actually enable the sending of bulk WhatsApp messages without the risk of getting banned. So now the small businesses owners or medium business owners were struggling with how to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So in this course, we are going to learn how to integrate WhatsApp Cloud API with the tools available in the market and send bulk WhatsApp messages to customers without getting banned. So you don't require technical expertise for it. We have covered all the steps in a very easy to follow manner. You just have to follow the steps and things will start falling into place. Also, we have created a separate and dedicated Facebook group for this. So in case if you're stuck anywhere or if you have any query, you can just post it in the group and our team will assist you with that. So now let's get started and send bulk WhatsApp messages using Cloud API.